Hello and welcome to day 10 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Yes, that's right. We have reached day 10. If you have been following along, your app is no more just a concept. It started to get real. I want to take a moment and thank each one of you for joining this journey and following along. I hope you are enjoying this series and able to build something meaningful. Something which you can use to build not just your app, but also your confidence level. In today's video, we will cover how do we create new data types and how multiple data types can be mapped together. Let's get started. So I remember I told you that we will break down one of the social media apps and then try to build it along, right? So we decided that we will go with Twitter, or it's called X now, because it's one of those platforms which can be easily built. Once you understand how this can be built, then you are free to build anything that you can think of. So keeping that in mind, let's structure our database accordingly. So I'll be going to data types, and then we can create new data type from here. So I'll call this as tweet, and then we can say tweet text. Now this is of type text. Select that and create. Now we also want to know who created this. Bubble by default has a creator field which says us who is the user who created this. But for the sake of learning, we will create one more field which will be mapped to user. So let's create a new field and mention this as tweeted by, right? And now we will not be using any of the basic types like text, number, numeric range, date, and so on and so forth. We will use one of the data types that we created, or rather Bubble created for us, right? So that is user, and click on create. So from this data type, we have a tweet text, which is the actual tweet, and we also know who tweeted this, right? Which is tweeted by. Create this new data type and be ready for allowing your users to tweet on your platform. Okay, so we have successfully created new data type. Now your app can manage more advanced features and handle more information with ease. Next, we will map these data types together so that the app can function seamlessly even with multiple data types. Before we end this, I want to tell you something that we have started because I genuinely feel this will be helpful. We are hosting a no-code automation workshop over the weekend where you will be able to learn how to automate your day-to-day activities, again, without writing a single line of code. The details of the workshop is added in the description below. If that's of interest to you, or if you know someone who can benefit from this, please share it with them. See you in the next one.